Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can achieve the split screen feature on any iPhone. So let's dive in. First thing you want to do is to go ahead and download a jailbreaking software. Now this split screen feature is only available from iPhone 10 and above, and in order for iPhones that have not yet reached that iOS version, what you need to do is you need to jailbreak your iOS. So you go ahead to your browser and you want to search for Cydia, and you want to download the Cydia software. So you go ahead and we are going to search for Cydia. And after we download the software, we are going to go ahead and jailbreak. So what you need to do is to follow the process of jailbreaking your iOS, and after you jailbreak your iOS, you will be able to download a software called Floating Dock Plus, and this is the software that will enable your iOS to split screen. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.